Good evening to one and all. My dear brothers, Justice Indresh, Justice Invalli, other dignitaries on and off the dais, district judiciary members from the Karnataka state judiciary. Incidentally, she is also daughter of the soil, Jyotsna. She is from Puttur. Respected senior members of the bar, my dear students and budding advocates, faculty member, principal. Indeed, it was a very good third national Moot court competition. The word has come international. Soon, I think the Puttur will be hosting the international as well. Participants had prepared well. They had presented their case study like a seasoned advocates. The preparation was really good, though there were searching questions for them. Brother Indresh has covered major portions of the nuances of the legal profession, requirement of you in the society, what are the roles to be played by you, like an elderly person, a fatherly person he has advised. In fact, many of his advices I also cherish, though I am in the evening of my career as a lawyer and a judge. Many of the autobiographies that brother mentioned, I am yet to go through. One word that actually sounds in the same manner, but what is required for the noble profession is fashion and passion. In the beginning, everybody will have FASHION, fashion. But the profession will hold its your hand if you are working with PASSION, passion. So this is the key for success. I have a son who is an advocate now. I was a son of an advocate, so I have dual roles to play. One thing that is one should bear in the mind is the shortcut between the 2 points, shortest distance between the 2 points is called straight line in geometry. That is the truth, both in geometry and real life. Those of you can follow Kannada, this will be more apt. ಎರಡು ಬಿಂದುಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸನಿಹದ ದೂರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದೆವು ಅಂತ. ಯಾರು ರೇಖಾಗಣಿತ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸರಳ ರೇಖೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದು ಸರಳವಲ್ಲವೋ ಅದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವಕ್ರ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ವಕ್ರ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಚ್ಛೆ. ಸರಳವಾಗಿರೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ನುಡಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ one which fulcrum which holds the entire society. In Dikshitulu versus State of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Supreme Court had to deal with several other aspects of the matter. While so dealing with, the Honorable Supreme Court understood what actually the dharma means in the Indian context, not only in the Indian context, what it means to the society. While so dealing with the said aspect of the matter, the Honorable Supreme Court said, Dharma is the one which sustains the society, which works out for the development of the society, which maintains the society. This is what the Dharma meant for. My dear friends, how many of you heard many convocation addresses, prepared speech delivered by the governors, dignitaries for each of the universities. If you look back, the country had the what is called Gurukula system, when the people across the world were not even having any idea of civilization. We had the universities in this country. Mind this. Those values we must re-inculcate is what the ultimate idea one has to have by becoming an educated. Unfortunately, today what we have are the persons who are literate and not educated. There is a difference between a literate and an educated. Two professions are called noble professions. One is, of course, the law profession. The other one is the profession of doctors, medical field. These two professions are called noble professions. Unfortunately, whether both the professions are retaining its nobility, I have my own doubts. Full stop. Why? Why I say full stop? Why I say full stop? We don't want to ponder further over that. You know the reasons for yourselves. We had the seat of Vikramaditya in this country. Today we are talking of the environmental law. We are talking of the justice to the animals, justice to the environment. We had seat of Vikramaditya in Ujjain, where there was a bell. In that bell, whoever rings will be given the justice. Seat of Vikramaditya, person used to preside and deliver the justice. Unfortunately, today, noble profession has become Nobel profession. That's why I said full stop. Let us not worry about the negative things in the system. In the Moot court final round also, I emphasize this aspect of the matter. Such a huge country, diversity in the life. Soon after Britishers left us, we did not have a law of our own. We could not think of how our country would be ruled. We had the Constituent Assembly. We had the members there across the country, including the ladies. Several sections of the society participated. We framed Constitution. Our own Constitution we framed. A written Constitution which is an exclusive piece of the work. Well, from 1950 to 2026, lot of changes have taken place in the society. Developments have taken place. Business, globalization, digitization, several challenges have come up. Whether we are in a position to encapsulate all those developments into our existing laws is a question, is a situation where we are working out. Mind you, for someone here, including me, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, all these things may be the very sacred texts. No problem. You can have it. Some of us, Holy Quran may be the one which can be looked into. And for them it's a sacred. Some may believe in Buddhism, some may believe in Jainism, some may believe in Grantha Sahib, some may have an affection, and for them the sacred Grantha is Bible. Absolutely no worry. These should be well within our puja room. Once you step out of the puja room, once you come out of your house, the one sacred book one should have is the Constitution and Constitution alone. Meaning thereby, we respect our nation, we respect our Constitution, we respect our national emblems, we respect our national song, we respect the constitutional ethos from the bottom of our heart. We don't require any legislation that you should do it. It should be inbuilt. That is when this country is going to flourish. This is one aspect of the matter. It should not be put as a burden. It should not be imposed. It should be from within. This is what ultimately what is wanted. In the guise of freedom of speech, in the guise of other constitutional fundamental rights enshrined in Article 19, if you act against the ethos of the Constitution, naturally the law, penal laws will have to kick in, and then consequences shall follow. Should we require a debate for that? Happy International Mother's Day for all of you. Do I have to emphasize, no, you respect your mother? It should be inbuilt now. That is the way one should go about it. So when you consider that this nation has given you the birth, this nation has given you to pursue your own whatever you wanted to, then this should also be considered as Mother India. The mother who gave me the birth from the womb. Likewise, this portion of the earth has given me the birth to live here, flourish here. Do we require a legislation for that? Do we require a legislation that, if you don't respect your parents, the property taken off from your parents will be returned to them? Shame on us, is it not? Therefore, there is a gap between the value system that we had in 1950 and value system what we have in 2025. 75 years has shown us what the Constitution wanted us to be and what we are. Therefore, I said, mere becoming the literate or the law graduate or some other graduate or a diploma holder is not the purpose of the education. For all other things, we look at the other famous quotes from the other countries. Look at that. What the others have told. Don't ask what the country has given to me. You ask what you have given to the country. How many of us are doing that? National waste, we are not preventing. National values being eroded, we are not preventing. Therefore, there is a time now. Every advocate tomorrow, every law graduate tomorrow, for that matter, every citizen of this country should not at any case suffer for what? For not enlightening ourselves with the knowledge. Knowledge is available in the form of books. Now it is a click of a mouse. We are talking of artificial intelligence because it has already crept in. I have a famous saying, whenever the AI seminars are being carried out, I would always say, the world is already suffering from natural stupidity and artificial intelligence. So we shall now remove the natural stupidity. Automatically we don't require artificial intelligence. It's as simple as that. So time has come. Technology, we are trying to catch up. We are taking the technology into our legal field as well. World is not suffering. In the words of Abdul Kalam, world is not suffering from violence of many. How many criminal cases are there in Puttur? What is the population ratio? World is not suffering from violence of many. World is suffering from silence of many. Encourage, take the courage and then stand up and then say, sir, this is incorrect, this is illegal, this is violence. Don't suffer. That is when one would get the desired results under the Constitution. Article 21, what was interpreted in A.K. Gopalan, is not the interpretation today. Recently, as recently in the case of Puttaswamy, the Honorable Supreme Court has to require to survey all those decisions right from A.K. Gopalan, then to the Keshavananda Bharati, Maneka Gandhi, all these things have come up. Why it has come up means, it is capable of taking so much load irrespective of the developments that may take place. It can get itself into the framework of the Constitution and work for the betterment of the society, betterment of our nation. That is what ultimately the definition of Dharma as found in the state of Dikshitulu versus state of Andhra Pradesh. So what we have to look into is, come what may, let us stick on to the fundamentals. Having said all these things, all the teams have worked well, especially the finalists. They did well. It's a fact that they have been through and they have entered finals, and the Moot proposition was also quite good. Preparations were really good, but one word of advice if you want to take it, don't take the problem by itself. Go to the fundamentals. Understand the substantial questions that is involved in particular Moot proposition. On the factual aspects, on the legal aspects. Before that, you should know what are the substantive laws that is in the place in this country, laws that are existing. In the Moot proposition itself, they would have indicated you may have to look into these substantial laws. Then the procedural laws. So procedure is one aspect of the matter. Procedure is handmade for this dispensation of the substantive justice. Justice is not only done, but seem to have been done. These are all the principles one has to bear in mind. While so preparing, one advice if you want to take it is, read every word religiously in the Moot proposition. Many times the answer itself available there. Lack of reading or improper reading or lack of understanding factual aspects of the matter may take you into a different result by itself. So my request to the Mooters here is, we have seen first Mooter who are the research assistant here who spoke, and we have also seen the 18th Mooter who participated and presented the case well today. Two contours we got it. Both of them, all of them rather, did well to their best of their capacity. This is a Moot proposition, therefore winning, losing is one other aspect. How you presented your case, how you presented your point of view matters much. See, if the factual aspect as per the decided case law is in a particular party's favor, naturally they will get to know they are in an advantageous position. For a loose ball, anybody can hit a sixer. If you are hitting a sixer to a bouncer, then you are the good batsman. That should be the spirit with which one has to prepare. My dear friends, you are all youngsters. You have got a long way to go. I am in the evening of my career in this field. My remaining life, though I am available for the fraternity on these type of events, life has got other purposes also. I have already started in that direction, made few attempts also, little bit successful as well. So I may have some more time to look into all those aspects of the matter post-retirement. But you are the persons. You are all the persons who have to take it. This one day that we have spent in Puttur would not come back to any one of us. Any one of us. One evening is over, one sunset is over, one day is gone in your life. All of us have come back to this, all of us have come here with a boarding pass in hand. Please mind this, we have a boarding pass in our hand. Date is fixed, time is fixed. It is in the sealed cover. And that flight, whatever that we are going to get back, is never late. Unfortunately, it has no seat number 11A also. So therefore, I am a little selfish person. Youngsters here who have participated and reached the final, those who could not have had the experience of participating in the Moot, day is not good, may not be good for you. Better luck next time. Winners are not the persons who are the best. Losers are not the persons who are worst. It's a day of their choice. It has happened. Ultimately, it is the values which should triumph and values which should be cherished. So they had the participation. All of you have spent, couple of them have spent about 3 days. We have spent about a day. It is, I am investing as a premium. I want dividend back. What could be the dividend? A girl there, a boy here, would be standing here 20 years down the line when the Vivekananda College holds the international Moot competition. They would be speaking from this podium and then cherishing this value and taking it further. All the best. Thank you.